Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna like canned. First, select high-quality fresh tuna steaks, ideally around 1 inch thick, for optimal texture. Next, prepare a simple brine by dissolving 1/4 cup of salt in 4 cups of water. Submerge your tuna steaks in this solution and let them soak for about 30 minutes. This brining step is crucial for achieving that familiar canned tuna flavor and firm texture. After brining, thoroughly drain the tuna and pat each piece completely dry using paper towels. This helps prevent excess moisture. Carefully pack the tuna into clean canning jars, ensuring you leave 1 inch of headspace at the top. You can then fill the jars with either olive oil or water, depending on your preference. Finally, process the jars in a pressure canner at 10 pounds of pressure for 100 minutes. Once the canning process is complete, carefully remove the hot jars and place them on a wire rack to cool naturally for a full 24 hours. Do not disturb them during this time. After cooling, check the seals. The lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Any unsealed jars should be refrigerated and consumed within a few days. Properly sealed jars can be stored in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year. Now you have delicious, homemade canned tuna ready to enjoy. It's perfect for classic tuna sandwiches, fresh salads, or even mixed into a savory pasta dish. Feel free to experiment with different seasonings, like a pinch of dried herbs or a dash of your favorite spice blend, to truly make it your own. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with music and smart home control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.